Today, I'll show you how to make a working plane on Minecraft, so make sure to follow everything so you'll not miss a single steps. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.